Hello, my name is Ederson Oliveira and I'll be presenting this video for DNNHere.com on how to change the default HTML text editor from your .NETNuke website from RAD editor to FCK editor and vice versa. So here I'm running a DNN 5.4.2, which is the most recent version of .NETNuke. And since DNN 5.4, there are two editors that are coming, two providers, two HTML editor providers that are coming with each and every installation of .NETNuke. And when you create a new instance, the default editor is the new RAD editor from Telerik. So let's log into the site so we can see how the editor looks like now. Again, this is a standard installation. If we go here to the home page, let's just edit this content area. And this is the Telerik RAD editor. So you can check that just by coming to this eye, and you'll see that this is the RAD editor from Telerik. Now, again, very easily you can switch that back to the FCK editor, which used to be the default editor prior to DNN 5.4. Now, why the heck do you want to change that? Well, there are a couple of reasons. Maybe your client is more familiarized with that version of the editor. Maybe you like that version better than this one for one reason or another. So again, the point here is to understand how you can easily change from one editor to the other one. Now, to be able to do that, you have to have access to the web.config file on the root folder of your website, and you can do this via FTP. In my case here, this is a local site, and I will just open Windows Explorer to be able to edit the web.config. So here's my installation, DNN 5.4.2, and here is the web.config, which I will open to make the change. So I have the web.config open here, and you can find the spot very easily just by searching for FCK. So here you can see the HTML default provider entry in the web.config, which is set to Telerik editor provider. Now you can also see here inside the provider's tag, the provider's entry, that there is also the FCK editor is still around. I'm not sure for how long .NETNuke will keep those two providers going along with each new installation, but anyway, at least for DNN 5.4, 0, 4, 1 and 4.2, it's still here. So very easily we can just replace the default provider by the FCK provider, and we can save this. So after saving, let's go to the site and let's just refresh this. Okay, so you can definitely see that the editor has changed, and just to confirm that, let's click in the interrogation mark here. Okay, so now FCK editor is active. And again, if you want to flip it back, you can just come back to the web config and replace the default provider by the Telerik editor. Go back to the site, refresh this again, and we have here the RAD editor again. So basically this is it. This is how you can switch from the RAD editor to the FCK editor and vice versa. And again, this goes according to your preference or your client's preference. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.